So many people are curious about DogeCoin, and it's like one of those latest things that are on the internet that are hot right now, but won't be hot in a few weeks or a month's time. DogeCoin, right at a time period where crypto is starting to become a really huge hit, and people are starting to realize that crypto is a way of the future and a way to save money, wealth for the future. Now they want you to literally lose money by buying DogeCoin, which is a huge mistake. And the major reason why DogeCoin is a huge mistake is mainly because of the fact that for one thing, you can make an unlimited amount of DogeCoin over the future. I think it has like an inflation rate of around 2-3%. So it's kind of like gain the dollar. It's like the dollar version of crypto, which is a huge mistake. I mean, you're seeing this. The reason why people want to move away from the dollar is precisely because of the inflation factor. So it's kind of a weird thing that we're focusing on a cryptocurrency that actually goes down in value. That's a bit strange. And the other thing you have to consider is a lot of these people who are promoting things like DogeCoin, or whatever it's called, the one with the really cute puppy on it, you have to really consider that their motivation is really to get clicks, get attention. They don't really care if this works or doesn't work. I think that they're just thinking that this is a great thing to get attention and look cool promoting DogeCoin. But if you think about it, it's sort of like the stock market. The stock market always has some incredible stocks that are going to do very well, but then there are these people who are literally trolls. They say, oh, why don't you buy this penny stock? It has so much more room to grow. And DogeCoin is like the penny stock of cryptocurrency. It's worth, well, I think it's anywhere from, it started out like a half a cent now, and then it reached a high of around 8 cents, and it's trading around 4 to 5 cents every now and then. But I think it's important to recognize that there's no real future in DogeCoin. It's not going to become the crypto of the internet. It's not going to become extremely popular either. And a lot of it just has to do with the fact is the infrastructure is being built for Bitcoin and Ethereum. DogeCoin has no real future. But here's someone who might like DogeCoin. What does he think? Look at him. What do you think of DogeCoin? I think he's a big fan of DogeCoin. See, the thing is, my brother even remarked that one thing that's kind of funny about DogeCoin is that they took an effort to make it a really cute kind of cryptocurrency. I mean, Bitcoin and Ethereum, they have kind of boring looking symbols, but then DogeCoin came out there and it just has a really cute expression, and people decided to buy it. Now, if someone wants to buy it, I believe that it can, possibly through Robinhood, but here's something to keep in mind. The more serious crypto exchanges like Coinbase and Gemini, they don't even let you buy this. So what does that tell you? It basically tells you that the more serious players don't even want to let you touch this stuff because they just don't really believe in it, and probably for a good reason. They just know that it's not meant to be a serious cryptocurrency. Even the creators created DogeCoin in order for it to be a meme, like something to make fun of cryptocurrencies, which in 2013 it makes sense that cryptocurrencies seemed like a fad and they were going to eventually collapse. So why not create DogeCoin just as a thing? What's funny, I don't remember even hearing about DogeCoin back in 2013. I only heard about it this year, and I think it reached a high of like $8 billion worth. So it shows you that when you have an economy built around unlimited money printing, you literally get all kinds of crazy results. Do you have any other final comments to give to our subscribers?
Every minute 10,000 DogeCoin is going to be created, and they will never have a cap. So
there's no cap on it. Yeah, I brought that up already. That's kind of defeating the whole point of Bitcoin. It should be or cryptocurrency it should be like a digital gold where there's a limit, but there isn't.
It's not clear why Elon Musk is touting it so much either.
Oh no, I talked about that too. You guys should watch the video. That way you won't sound dumb asking questions. Just kidding. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe and like the video. It really helps with the Google algorithm. And let me know if you were one of the people who bought DogeCoin. Hopefully not. I do not recommend it whatsoever. So don't get mad at me if you lose money buying it. Anyway, see you later. Hi there, Ra. You're our favorite dog.
He's such a cutie. He gets attention everywhere he goes.
Now, do you think that DogeCoin is a good coin?
Where is it gonna go, dog? Is you
now,
gonna go to?
People like the DogeCoin because people like doggies.
Is it going to
We like
match?
the doggy.
Will it go to the heights of Bitcoin? 50,000 almost?
No, the truth is, I think that DogeCoin is it's like an internet penny stock. It's a pump and dump scheme right now. I think some people are trying to say, go buy it, go buy it. I'm not saying that the celebrities, all know. I think that people on the internet probably are promoting it too in the forum. Hey, buy it, and then they're going to sell it to the dummies. And they're sadly
It does seem like a pump and dump, but that's what it is. What it is.
People love doggies. I mean, if the name was called Crap Coin or Toilet Coin, I doubt that it would have any kind of meteorite.
Now
rise.
here's a quick poll: if DogeCoin had Ra's face on as the
be worth
the
$1
face
million
of DogeCoin,
a coin.
would it go up more than the Shibu Inu?
Could. Okay, well, that's it.